Let's dive into the top 10 historical events that changed the world forever. Starting with number 10, the fall of the Berlin Wall in 1989, a powerful symbol of freedom. And number 9, the first moon landing in 1969, when humans took their giant leap. At number 8, we remember the tragic sinking of the Titanic in 1912. Moving to number 7, the iconic "I Have a Dream" speech by Martin Luther King Jr. in 1963, a pivotal moment in the civil rights movement. Coming in at number 6, the signing of the Treaty of Versailles in 1919, which officially ended World War I. And number 5, the devastating atomic bomb explosion in Hiroshima in 1945, a turning point in modern warfare. At number 4, we celebrate the momentous achievement of women's suffrage in 1920. Number 3 takes us back to the storming of the Bastille in 1789, a key event that ignited the French Revolution. At number 2, we recognize the signing of the United Nations Charter in 1945, aiming for global peace. And finally, at number 1, the significant events of World War II that shaped the modern world. These top 10 historical events remind us of our shared journey. Let's continue to create history together for a brighter future. As we reflect on these moments, remember how history unites us all. Together we can make a difference and inspire future generations. Education plays a vital role in understanding our past. Join the movement and be part of the change for a brighter tomorrow. Let's honor those who made sacrifices for our freedoms. Remember, knowledge shapes our perspective and empowers us to shape the future. Every day is a new opportunity to learn and grow. Together we can explore history and its lessons to inspire a better world. Unity and diversity is what makes our world beautiful. Engage in discussions, learn from one another, and celebrate our shared humanity. Art and culture reflect our rich history. Let's celebrate the contributions of diverse cultures that have shaped our world.